You don't need expensive tools to fix your car problems. Some of the best fixes are already sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Pool noodles, toothpaste, old socks, 17 genius hacks using stuff you own around the house. Number 1 might be the most useful trick on this entire list. Number 17. Pool noodle door protector. Let's start in the garage, because this is where most paint damage happens. If your garage is tight, you know the problem. You open your car door and it slams right into the wall. Over time, that creates dents and chipped paint nobody wants to deal with. Here's the fix. Grab a pool noodle, cut it lengthwise down the middle. Attach it to the wall right where your door usually makes contact. Foam tape or a few screws hold it in place easily. Now the door hits soft foam instead of hard drywall. No more dents, no more paint chips. This works because foam compresses and spreads the force out, instead of letting it hit one small spot. It's the same idea behind padded bumpers in parking garages, just cheaper. A pack of pool noodles costs a few dollars. Compare that to a body shop bill, and the math makes itself. But that's not the only place a pool noodle saves the day on this list. Number 16. Toothpaste headlight restoration. Cloudy headlights are more than just an eyesore. They reduce how far your headlights shine at night from oxidation. Sunlight and weather slowly break down the plastic coating on your headlights, leaving a dull, yellowish film behind. Here's where toothpaste comes in. Ordinary white toothpaste contains mild abrasives, the same gritty particles that help scrub plaque off your teeth. Those particles can gently buff away the top layer of oxidation. Squeeze a small amount onto a microfiber cloth. Rub it onto the headlight in small circles for about a minute. Wipe clean with water. Repeat if needed. You won't get a showroom finish, but you will notice real improvement. This works best on plastic headlight covers, which most modern cars have. It's temporary, so repeat every few months, but it costs basically nothing compared to a restoration kit. Number 15. Baking soda odor eliminator. Every car eventually picks up a smell. Spilled coffee, wet shoes, fast food left a little too long. Baking soda has been used as a natural odor absorber for generations. It works by trapping odor particles on its surface instead of letting them float around in the air you breathe. Sprinkle a generous layer onto carpets and seats. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes. For stubborn smells, leave it overnight. Then vacuum it up. Baking soda pulls moisture out of fabric too, and damp fabric is where bad smells grow. Less moisture means less odor coming back. A small box costs around $1 and works over and over. Number 14. Kitchen tongs for parking tickets. This one sounds silly until you've lived through the problem. You pull up to a parking garage. The ticket machine sits just far enough away that you have to unbuckle and stretch your whole arm to grab the ticket. It's uncomfortable and a little dangerous if you're not watching traffic behind you. The fix is simple. Keep kitchen tongs in your door pocket. When you pull up to the machine, grab the ticket with the tongs instead of your fingers. No unbuckling, no stretching. Anyone who drives through toll booths or parking garages daily will understand why this hack stuck around for years. That's 4 hacks down already. If you're learning something new, tap that like button right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who need these tricks. Number 13. Rice sock dehumidifier. Foggy windshields are one of the most annoying problems in cold or humid weather, and most people just blast the defroster and wait it out. There's a simpler long-term fix. Rice naturally absorbs moisture from the air around it, which is why bags of rice sometimes come with little moisture packets inside. Fill an old, clean sock with dry rice. Tie off the end. Place it on your dashboard or under a seat. Over time, the rice pulls moisture out of the cabin air. Less moisture means less fog on your windshield when temperatures shift. This won't replace your defroster, but it reduces how often you need it. Number 12. Shoe organizer backseat storage. If your backseat looks like a disaster zone, this hack might change your daily routine. A simple over-the-door shoe organizer, the kind meant for a closet, works incredibly well hung over the back of your front seats. Each pocket becomes its own storage slot. Snacks in one pocket, chargers in another, toys, tissues, sunglasses, whatever you need within reach. Everything has its own spot instead of sliding around the floor. This is especially useful for parents driving kids around. A basic organizer costs less than $10 and takes 2 minutes to hang using the headrest straps. Number 11. Laundry basket grocery carrier. Grocery bags are one of the most underrated headaches of daily life. They tip over, they slide around the trunk. Sometimes they rip open right as you're walking to your front door. Here's an easy fix. Keep a sturdy laundry basket in your trunk. Load your bags directly into the basket instead of letting them roll loose. The basket keeps everything upright during the drive home. Carry the entire basket inside in one trip instead of multiple walks back and forth. No more chasing a rolling can of soup across your trunk. We're almost halfway through this list, and the hacks are about to get even more useful. If you've already tried one of these, drop a comment and let us know which one worked for you. Number 10. Clear nail polish for paint scratches. Small scratches on your car's paint aren't just cosmetic annoyances. Left exposed, they let moisture reach the bare metal underneath, which eventually leads to rust. Clear nail polish creates a thin, protective barrier that seals the scratch and keeps moisture out while you plan a proper repair. Clean the area first and make sure it's dry. Apply a thin coat directly over the scratch. Let it dry before driving. This won't make the scratch disappear, but it stops damage from getting worse and hides the shine of bare metal. Keep a small bottle in your glove box. It costs next to nothing. Number 9. Old toothbrush for air vents. Your car's interior collects more dust than you probably realize, especially in tight spots like air vents, dashboard seams, and around buttons. A regular vacuum nozzle is too big for these crevices. An old, worn-out toothbrush is the perfect tool instead. The bristles are small and flexible enough to reach deep into vent slats without scratching anything. Brush along each vent line to loosen dust, then vacuum or wipe it away. This works just as well on buttons and gear shifter gaps. Keep a dedicated toothbrush in your glove box, and your interior will look noticeably cleaner. Number 8. Dryer sheets for bug removal. Bug splatter on your windshield and bumper is frustrating to clean, especially after a long highway drive in warmer months. Regular scrubbing takes a lot of effort and can sometimes scratch your paint. Dryer sheets offer a gentler alternative. Wet a used dryer sheet with water. Rub it over the bug residue. The fabric softener coating helps loosen dried bug guts without heavy scrubbing. This works because dryer sheets reduce friction and break down residue. And that same chemistry lifts bug splatter from hard surfaces too. That's a solid chunk of hacks covered already, and the best ones are still coming up. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next list we're putting out this week. Number 7. Vinegar windshield cleaner. Commercial glass cleaners can get expensive, especially if you use them regularly to keep your windshield streak free. White vinegar is a cheap, effective alternative that's been used as a household cleaner for generations. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto your windshield and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. The mild acidity cuts through grime and water spots, leaving glass noticeably clearer. This mixture works on interior glass too, without streaky residue. Keep a spray bottle in your trunk for road trips. Number 6. Potato rain repellent mirrors. This one sounds strange, but it has a real explanation. Potatoes contain starch, which has natural water-repelling properties. Cut a potato in half and rub the cut side directly over your side mirrors in firm strokes. The thin starch residue left behind helps water bead up and roll off the mirror instead of spreading into a blurry film. This makes a real difference during rainy drives. It's not permanent. You'll need to reapply it every few weeks, especially after washing your car. But for a zero-cost solution from your kitchen, it's a clever trick drivers have passed around for years. Number 5. Socks on windshield wipers. If you live somewhere with cold winters, you know the frustration of frozen wiper blades stuck to an icy windshield every morning. Before a freezing night, lift your wiper blades away from the windshield and slip an old sock over each one. The sock acts as a barrier, keeping the rubber blade from making direct contact with the glass overnight. In the morning, ice forms on the sock instead of fusing your wiper to the windshield. Just pull the socks off, lower the wipers back down, and you're ready to go without scraping or risking a torn blade. This trick has been a favorite among drivers in snowy regions for a long time. We are getting close to the top of this list now, and these last few hacks are some of the most clever ones we've ever covered. If this video's helping you out, smash that like button before we continue. Number 4. Tennis ball parking guide. Parking perfectly in a tight garage every single time can be surprisingly tricky, especially if you're trying to leave room to walk around your car. Here's a classic trick that solves the guesswork completely. Tie a string to a tennis ball and hang it from your garage ceiling at exactly the right spot. Pull your car in slowly until the tennis ball gently touches your windshield. That's your signal to stop. Every time you park, you'll know you're in the perfect spot without measuring or guessing. This is especially helpful for tight garages where pulling in too far means hitting shelves at the back wall. It takes a few minutes to set up once, and it saves you years of guessing. Number 3. Plunger dent removal. Small dents in your car door or panel don't always require an expensive trip to the body shop. For shallow dents, a standard household plunger, the kind you'd use on a sink, can sometimes pull the metal back into shape using basic suction. Wet the rubber edge and the dent area slightly to create a tighter seal. Press the plunger firmly over the dent, then pull straight outward with steady pressure. In some cases, the suction pops the dent back toward its original shape. This works best on dents that are shallow and rounded, not sharp creases. It won't fix every dent, but for minor parking lot dings, it's worth trying first. Number 2. Pool noodle seat gap filler. Remember that pool noodle from earlier? It's back, and this might be the single most useful hack on this entire list. You know that annoying gap between your seat and the center console. Phones slide in, coins disappear, keys vanish into that black hole, never to be seen again. The fix takes about 30 seconds. Cut a piece of pool noodle to match the length of the gap. Slide it down into the space between your seat and console. The foam fills the gap completely, blocking small items from falling through while staying soft enough not to interfere with your seat adjustments. It's become one of the most talked about DIY car hacks online for a reason. It actually works. Number 1. Toothpaste for minor scratches. We're ending where a lot of drivers should probably start, because this covers one of the most common complaints about car upkeep. Small surface scratches on paint, mirrors, and trim happen constantly. Shopping cart bumps, branches in a tight driveway, a careless car wash brush. None of it requires a full repaint. Ordinary white toothpaste, the same kind used in hack number 16 for headlights, contains mild abrasive particles that can gently buff out shallow surface scratches. Apply a small amount directly onto the scratch with a soft cloth. Rub it in gentle circular motions for about 30 seconds. Wipe away the residue and check your progress. Repeat if the scratch is still visible. This only works on light scratches that haven't gone down to bare metal. Deeper damage needs professional attention. But for minor marks, most cars pick up over years of use. Toothpaste remains one of the simplest, cheapest fixes available, sitting in your bathroom right now. Bonus hacks. Before we wrap up, here are 5 quick bonus tricks worth trying. Coffee grounds in a small container make a surprisingly effective natural air freshener for your trunk or cabin. Old towels work great as emergency seat covers, especially useful for muddy boots or wet dog paws after a hike. A thin layer of petroleum jelly on your battery terminals helps slow down corrosion over time. Binder clips, the kind from your desk drawer, make excellent cable organizers for charging cords so they don't tangle in your center console. And empty cereal containers, once cleaned out, work perfectly as simple trunk organizers for tools, wipes, or emergency supplies. 17 hacks, 5 bonus tricks, and not one of them required a trip to a specialty store. Just things you already own sitting around your house. If you tried any of these today, let us know in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if you want more simple tricks like this, the next video on your screen has even more waiting for you.